Today, we're comparing two popular budget-friendly OBD2 scanners, the Ancel AD410 and the Foxwell NT301. Both are great for deers, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down. The Ancel AD410 Automotive OBD2 Scanner. If you're a gearhead like us, you know the importance of having a reliable OBD2 scanner in your toolbox. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the AD410, its features, how to use it, and why it's a must-have for every car owner. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive adventures. The AD410 is not just any OBD2 scanner. It's packed with features that make it an excellent tool for both beginners and experienced DIY mechanics. It's compatible with most OBD2 compliant vehicles, which means it works with cars, SUVs, and trucks. Manufactured after 1996 in the United States and 2001 in Europe and Asia. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the Ancel AD410's features and functions. 1. Large display. The first thing you'll notice is the large, easy-to-read LCD screen. This screen displays all the essential information, making it simple for anyone to understand the data. 2. Code reading. With the AD410, you can quickly read and clear trouble codes from your vehicle's computer. These trouble codes can give you insights into what might be wrong with your car. 3. Live data stream. Additionally, the scanner can display real-time data in the form of graphs, helping you monitor various parameters like engine temperature, RPM, and more as you drive. 4. I/M readiness status. Checking your car's I/M readiness status is a breeze with this scanner. It tells you if your vehicle is ready for an emissions test, which can save you a lot of time and hassle. 5. Battery voltage check. Another useful feature is the battery voltage check. It helps you keep an eye on your car's battery health, preventing unexpected breakdowns. 6. Built-in DTC library. Even if you're not an automotive expert, the built-in DTC diagnostic trouble code library provides descriptions of trouble codes, making it easier to understand what's going on with your vehicles. Now, let's talk about how to use the Ancel AD410. Trust me, it's as simple as 1 to 3. 1. Plug and play. First, locate your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually found under the dashboard near the steering column. Plug the AD410 into the port, and it will power on automatically. 2. Navigate the menu. Use the intuitive menu system to select the function you want. You can read and clear codes, view live data, or check your I/M readiness status with just a few button presses. 3. Interpret the results. Once you've performed a scan, the scanner will display the results. If there are trouble codes, write them down or take a picture with your phone for reference. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need the Ancel AD410? Well, let me give you a few good reasons. 1. Save money. With the AD410, you can diagnose issues on your own, potentially saving hundreds of dollars in diagnostic fees at the mechanic. 2. Peace of mind. Knowing what's going on under the hood gives you peace of mind. You'll know when to address a problem before it becomes a costly repair. 3. Emissions testing. If you live in an area with strict emissions testing requirements, the AD410 helps ensure your vehicle is ready for inspection, reducing the stress of passing. 4. Quick fixes. For deers, this scanner is a game changer. You can identify issues and make quick fixes without guesswork. The Ancel AD410 Automotive OBD2 Scanner is a valuable tool for any car owner, whether you're a novice or a seasoned gearhead. Its ease of use and comprehensive features make it a must-have in your automotive arsenal. So, if you're serious about taking control of your car's health and saving money on repairs, consider getting the Ancel AD410. We've provided a link in the description below where you can check it out for yourself. The Foxwell NT301 OBD2 Scanner. This is a great tool for anyone who wants to diagnose their car's problems and clear the check engine light. An OBD2 scanner is a device that plugs into your car's diagnostic port and allows you to read the codes that are stored in the car's computer. These codes can tell you what's wrong with your car, and they can also be used to clear the check engine light. The Foxwell NT301 is a budget-friendly OBD2 scanner that offers a lot of features for the price. It can read and clear codes, display live data, and perform a variety of other diagnostic tests. Here are some of the features of the Foxwell NT301. Reads and clears codes. displays live data, performs a variety of diagnostic tests, compatible with most cars made since 1996. One-click IM reading, support multi-languages, simple and fast battery test, early warning systems, keep the car in good condition, free update forever. There are a number of benefits to using the Foxwell NT301. You can diagnose your car's problems yourself. You can save money on diagnostic fees. You can clear the check engine light. Make sure that the scanner is compatible with your car before you buy it. Read the instructions carefully before you use the scanner. Keep the scanner in a safe place when you're not using it. Update the scanner's firmware regularly to ensure that it's compatible with the latest car models. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner. Pros: affordable, easy to use, wide range of compatibility, can read and clear codes, displays live data, performs a variety of diagnostic tests, updates firmware regularly. Cons: not as powerful as some other OBD2 scanners. Some users have reported that the scanner is not always accurate. The display can be a bit small. Overall, the Foxwell NT301 is a great OBD2 scanner for the price. It offers a lot of features for a budget-friendly price, and it's easy to use. If you're looking for a way to diagnose your car's problems and clear the check engine light, the Foxwell NT301 is a great option. Choose the Ancel AD410 if you want a color display, battery testing, and easier navigation. Choose the Foxwell NT301 if you need a compact, no-frills scanner with smog readiness. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.